Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows updates are current because the OS often supplies compatible drivers. Once done, sign into an admin account. Next, plug the monitor into the display port or HDMI to ensure detection. Open Device Manager now, type Device Manager in Start or press Win+X and select it. This gets you to the hardware list fast, so you can find the monitor entry and begin the update sequence without extra setup steps. Once Device Manager is open, locate the monitor under Monitors or the GPU under Display Adapters. They both can influence display behavior. Right-click the monitor entry and choose Update Driver, then decide whether to search automatically or browse My Computer for drivers. If you downloaded a manufacturer INF package, pick Browse, and then Let Me Pick to point to the INF file. This ensures the correct vendor driver installs instead of a generic one, which often restores custom resolutions and refresh rates. You finish by restarting Windows to let the new driver take effect, then verify Settings System Display shows desired resolution and refresh rate. If something breaks, open Device Manager, select the Driver tab, and use Rollback Driver to revert. This quickly undoes problematic updates. If rollback fails, boot into safe mode to uninstall the monitor or GPU driver completely, then reinstall the official package from the manufacturer. This clean install often resolves driver conflicts when normal updates do not work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.